So today my first video we will learn how to silence a fire control panel. So for that we need to go initially in the main menu. We need to go the program auto status. We need to put the password. The password will be 7 times 0. Then we need to give accept. After that we need to go the panel program menu. Then we need to go the panel setting. After that here piezo is there. For this we need to give on. Right now this is on, we need to keep us off, and then we need to give accept. Accepted and again accepted. Now the panel is silenced.